This is a pre-class material. You can find this support material on the third page of your PDF. And this is pre-class, which means that your teacher is going to go back and go over this with you in your next class. So today we are going to practice some vowel sounds. So let's get to it. Every vowel sound here will have the same sound, and the sound here will be So repeat, please. Her, serve, verb, were, nerd. Always never Repeat, please. Early, earth, earn, heard, learn. Circle, dirt, first, girl, birthday. Work, worry, worse, warm, world. Turn, curly, burn, Thursday, hurt. Now let's go to the practice. What were the first words you learned? I will learn the German verbs by Thursday. It's too early to serve dessert. The third version is worse than the first. It's not worth worrying about another birthday. I heard some curse words at work. They weren't certain that the earth circles the sun.